Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete Apex Legends account. All right. Just a quick heads up. You'll need to delete your whole EA account as there is no option just to delete a game's account or progress. All right. Now, if you wish to continue, follow those steps. And what we're going to do here is just open up a browser. It could be on your phone. It doesn't matter. All right. Now go ahead and type in delete EA account. Once done, just hit on enter. And the first link right here, which is from help.ea.com, just click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once you're here, make sure to log in right here at the top right. And once logged in, as you can see here, it says you cannot delete your EA account by yourself. You'll have to talk to one of our advisors. So what we're going to do in here is just go ahead and scroll down a bit and just click on talk to one of our advisors to delete your EA account. Click on it. Now you'll be landed to this page. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and click on chat now and wait for it to load. Now once it loads, you'll see your email right here and select your console or where you game on. For example, I'll play on PC. I'm just going to select PC. Then I'm going to hit on next. Now to start a chat, you'll have to enter your first name, for example, right here, and the subject deletion of EA account. All right. If you want to, you can just go ahead and be specific. You can try, but as to my knowledge, they will just inform you that you'll have to delete your EA account. But if you want to, you'll go ahead and type in deletion of Apex Legends account. If you can go ahead and take a screenshot of your user ID from the Apex lobby and upload that in here. If not, just go ahead and click on send. All right. Now just wait for it. Now it says here we received your case and the case number right here has been created. Please stand by as we connect you to an advisor, approximately 1 minute. And as you can see here, I am now connected to a person to their chat support. So what we're going to do is just type in here, hi, I would like help on deleting my first try-in Apex Legends account. All right. And then wait for their reply. If they have solutions for you to delete just the Apex Legends account, well, congratulations. If not, they will guide you through on how to delete your whole EA account. All right. Not just guiding, but they will have to access it on their database for them to delete your account. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.